Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to track your fitness progress effectively. And stick around, because I'll be sharing some fun fitness facts along the way. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or you're a seasoned pro, tracking your progress is key to staying motivated and reaching your goals. So, let's get started. First things first, set clear and achievable goals. Whether it's losing weight, building muscle, or improving endurance, having specific goals will give you direction and purpose. Write down your goals and break them into smaller milestones. This makes them more manageable and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you progress. Fun fact: did you know that people who work out with a partner are more likely to stick with their fitness regimes? So, find a workout buddy and keep each other motivated. Next up, let's talk about using technology to your advantage. There are tons of apps and devices that can help you track your workouts, nutrition, and overall progress. Apps like MyFitnessPal, Strava, and Fitbit are great for logging your workouts, tracking your calories, and even monitoring your sleep. Find the one that works best for you and stick with it. Interesting fact: listening to music while working out can actually help you move faster and improve the quality of your workout. So don't forget to create a killer playlist. Another effective method is keeping a workout journal. This old-school approach can be incredibly powerful. Record your exercises, sets, reps, and how you felt during each workout. Over time, you'll see patterns and be able to adjust your routine for better results. Did you know that strength training keeps burning fat even after you stop working out? That's right, your body continues to burn calories as it repairs and builds muscle. Don't forget to take progress photos. Sometimes the scale doesn't tell the whole story, but photos can show changes in your body composition. Take photos from different angles every few weeks. You'll be amazed at the visual progress you can see over time. Fun fact: the largest muscle in your body is in your bottom. It's called the gluteus maximus. Lastly, measure your body metrics. Use a tape measure to track your waist, hips, arms, and other key areas. These measurements can provide a more accurate picture of your progress than weight alone. Interesting fact: people burn an average of 50 calories every hour while they sleep. So make sure you're getting enough rest. And there you have it. By setting goals, using technology, keeping a workout journal, taking progress photos, and measuring your body metrics, you'll be well on your way to tracking your fitness progress like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.